Hey basketball fans, check out the QDRAGON Mini Basketball Hoop, designed for indoor fun right over your door. This hoop features a breakaway rim with a spring load that bends up to 60 degrees for authentic slam dunk action. Made with a high-quality steel rim, it can handle powerful dunks without bending or breaking. Installation is a breeze with a hook design that requires no drilling, and it fits most door sizes easily. The foldable rim saves storage space and won't interfere with door movement, while shockproof sponge pads reduce noise and protect your door frame. The durable backboard has passed strength tests, ensuring long-lasting play for kids and adults alike. Complete with 3 balls and an inflator, it's perfect for turning any room into your own basketball court. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.